A civil authority has issued a missing pet statement for the following Pennsylvania counties: Delaware. Effective until October 15th, 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. An important announcement from the Delaware County Sheriff's Office: we are asking the public assistance for the search of a missing pet. Clouse is identified as a 9-year-old tabby cat with gray and white fur as well as a small dent in his ear. He was last seen wearing a white flea collar. It is believed that Clouse is in danger. If you see Clouse, dial 911.